Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the puzzle, or in the book. It looks like today we're doing number 256. Let's start with the square here. Looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 1, 6. A 6 here. So 1, 7. And a 1 here. So 6, 7. If we look at this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. Got an 8 here. So 6, 7, and if the 8 can't be here or here, it means it has to be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. Got a 1 here and a 5 here, so this is our 7, and that 1 makes this our 5 and 1. That 1 makes this our 6, 7, 1, and that 7 makes this our 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. Got a 7 here and an 8 here, so this is our 3. That 7 means this is our 8, and our 7 goes there. For this column, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. A 1 here, so 4, 8. And since our 1 can't be in those boxes, it must be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1. An 8 here, so 5, 8. That 8 makes this our 4, 8. For this box, then we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. And for this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 and 6 there, so this is our 2. We've got a 3 there, so 6, 3. For this top row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 8 covering here, so 4, 5. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 5 and our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so the 1 has to be here. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. And for this box, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 4. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 4 and 7 here, so this is our 9. We've got a 4 here, so this is our 7 and our 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.